Hello everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I just thought I'd come and share some beautiful cards with you that I have received in the mail. I'll just remove that random hair. Over the last couple of weeks or so, I normally wait while there's a handful to share. And some weeks I get loads and then other weeks don't get any. But I've got 4 to share with you here today. Every single one of them is beautiful, and as I've said before, I share because I think we can all be inspired by what other people do, and it's also a way of saying thank you. So the first one here, this is a beautiful one made with the lovely Daisy Lane, I can't remember the name of it, the one with the little daisy, the new one. Isn't that lovely? I really, really love that. And this one is from Karen Macaulay, I think her name is. She's a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I think she'd got some Tropic products from me and was sending me a thank you card because I'd sent her one. So that's lovely. I always love receiving cards. I might have said her surname wrong. If I did, I'm sorry. I'm terrible. This is another one. So these are all stamped. And I love it. There's no DSP here. These are just stamps and ink. And I think these are beautiful. And this one's really lovely. I think this was sent by one of the ladies on my team. Sandy. Yes, the lovely Sandy, who was sending back some of the reward vouchers that I send out to cash them in for goodies, and she sent me this lovely, lovely card. And then this one here is from the lovely Louise Wheeler. Now, Louise is part of my team, but she's not direct to me. One of my lovely leaders, Trisha, has her own growing team, and Louise is part of her team. But we're all one big happy family, and they're all in my Facebook team group, and Louise often comes to the meetings at my house because she's not too far away. So yeah, she sent me this. She was making them for, World Card Day? Happy Card sending week, yeah. So she was sending them for the card sending week thing, challenge, linked to World Card Making Day, and she sent lots and lots of cards out, and I have to say I think Louisa's cards get better every time. They really, really, she's making some beautiful cards. And then this one here is sent by one of my lovely leaders, Ashley. She is a lovely lady, very, very talented. What she doesn't know about a scan and cut isn't worth knowing. And she sent me this to thank me for her vouchers. I sent her quite a big reward because she's just recently reached silver. Super proud of. I've got quite a lot of silvers in my team now. They're all amazing. Yeah, she's reached silver, bless her, in next to no time at all. So I'd sent her some vouchers to say congratulations. So this is to say thank you for those, and she's also wishing me luck in a job interview that I've been for this week. So there we go. Beautiful, beautiful cards. Thank you to everybody that sent them. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope they can inspire you. Just like they inspire me. I think they're all wonderful. That's it for today. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Relax, have fun, get busy, get crafting. A weekend well spent spells a week of content. That's what they say. So if you get all your jobs done on the weekend, then your week will be stress-free. So get cracking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.